August 9th, Typhoon Dolphin hit Shanghai hard. Within just 1 hour, river water surged back into our factory, flooding our entire facility. Goods were damaged. Machinery was submerged. The losses were devastating. Local government and emergency teams arrived quickly to assist, but the scale of the disaster was overwhelming. Yet, this is where our story takes a turn. The moment floodwaters receded, our entire team, every single employee, rolled up their sleeves. We cleared debris. We salvaged what we could. We repaired machinery around the clock. No excuses, just action. And today, we're back. Production is running again. Shipments are resuming. This isn't luck. It's years of manufacturing expertise, solid contingency planning, and a team that never gives up. We are Linsky. We deliver more than products. We deliver reliability, even in the toughest times. Thank you for your trust. We are here to serve you, stronger than ever.